Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got my boy James here, my boy Gabe here, and we're about to work on the DC5 Ronin. As far as I know, we're trying to polish the lips on Gabe's work wheels. And in typical PNW fashion, it's raining, as you can tell. It's raining, so. Anyway, if you want to stay up with what we're doing here today and you want to learn how to polish your wheels while they're still on your car, stick around. We'll show you how to do that. Maybe. Figure it out. All right, guys. See you in a minute. Oh, don't drop your vape, bro. Oh no. Alright, bro, so what are you going through over here?
So, I got some soap, a bucket, some wheel cleaners,
Ooh.
microfiber cloth.
Yeah.
Just gonna clean the wheels first, get all the dirt off.
Yup.
So that you're not polishing crap all over the lips.
Ooh, yeah.
And then you take this, take some sandpaper. You're gonna start off with some 1000 grit, move up to like maybe 2000.
Yup.
And then you're just polishing the lips, get them all kind of raw, all the imperfections off. And then you take one of these comb polishers,
Yup.
just like that,
Yup.
from Mother's. And we got some Mother's aluminum polish right there. And then we're just gonna polish the wheels.
Alright, man.
And it sounds easy, but we'll see what happens. Right?
What do you think, James?
It'll work.
Yeah?
I mean, sandpaper on those wheels is terrifying.
Agreed.
Agreed.
Do you
Fuck it, man.
All three of us are agreed.
Send it.
Send it. Alright, guys, so stick with us here. We'll see how we do it. Alright, guys, so Gabe decided we probably should wash the wheels first outside in the rain. So he's going to do that, and then me and James are going to watch him do that. So that's the plan right now.
Shit like that. You see that black spot right there?
Poor works.
It happens when you daily expensive wheels.
Huh?
That happens when you daily expensive wheels, right?
Man, but it shouldn't, dude. For how much these cost, they should like be self-cleaning, bro.
You want to come more over here? Yeah, sorry. Go ahead. Oh. Yeah.
cut that sandpaper gate?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Snip, snip.
Snip, snip.
And so when you take your sandpaper, you just boom, just like that.
Perfect. I'm excited to see the process, Gabe.
Me too, if it works.
We'll see. Hey man, they're only like $3,000 wheels, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, it's nothing. Not but a thing. Starting the car.
You're what?
I'm just worried about starting the car.
What about it?
Oh, while it's up in the air and the wheels are spinning?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so great though.
You get a call.
How you feeling about this, bro?
It's nerve-wracking, man. It's nerve-wracking.
Alright guys, so what'd you do on this?
So we backed the car up, put it in gear, first gear to get the wheels spinning.
Yup.
And we started with 1,000 wet sandpaper, moved our way up to 2,000.
Yup.
Just sanding the wheel down while it's spinning, make sure to get a lot of water on there because aluminum, when you sand it down, it is poison. Harmful to breathe at least. So sanding it down, bumping it up, cleaning it each time you step up the sandpaper. And that's what the 2,000 grid looks like. You can compare that one to the other side.
So here's where
Other side looks boo-boo.
So here's where we started, y'all. We're like super, just distressed out chrome lips here, you know. But we build cars that drive cars, right, Gabe?
Oh yeah.
Trailer queens, bro. To this here.
How long would you say we've been working on just that one wheel? Like 45 minutes?
Yeah, probably.
So.
But that was, I think that was, we've been probably at it about an hour, but most of that was like jacking the car up and putting jack stands.
Yeah,
and stuff.
I mean, it's a slow
It's not
process.
taking too bad though, but.
No, it's a slow process. You gotta take your time. So we're gonna take a quick break and then we're gonna get this power cone polisher and some Weathers aluminum cleaner, and we're just gonna polish up those wheels and show you guys the end result. Boom.
Alright guys, so now we're busting into the mother's kit. Is it like a wheel polish kit, dude? What is it exactly here on the label?
Power cone 360.
Power cone 360 precision polisher. Attachment for your grill. Mirror-like shine. Quickly cleans and polishes. Unmatched performance. New and improved spherical cone shape. Penetrates deeper. Gabe, it penetrates
We need it deep.
deeper. Alright, so that's what we're trying. That's this guy right here. It's all like. You doing okay there?
Yeah, just trying to get it on the lines.
Do you want me to do it for you?
That's all good. And there we go.
Look at this guy. Oh, what? Look at this guy. I heard a turbo Miata coming into the neighborhood. Oh, he must be James. Dude, these actually are looking pretty good though. This wheel, well, this one wheel. So just so you guys know, like it's kind of getting dark, it's getting cold out here. Gabe pretty much said we'll get one wheel done, and then we'll just have to plan better and maybe get a little better weather, and then we can do it outside, which would be way better, right, James?
Yeah.
Way better.
I don't know what it's scheduled like, but Wednesday's supposed to be nice.
Yeah. Is it Wednesday supposed to be nice?
It's supposed to be sunny.
Oh,
50, whole 50 degrees.
that'd be nice. I think he works. Anyway, so they're actually looking really good though. But I'll show them to you in a second. As soon So how much longer after last time we checked in, dude, did you polish? Maybe another 10, 15 minutes?
Yeah, I probably did like one more pass.
Okay.
One more pass.
So guys, from that, okay, here, from this, here was our starting point. You can kind of see, like, you know, they're not terrible, but they're definitely have seen some
better days,
right?
Yep.
All right, and then to that. So definitely a huge improvement. Still need a little final polish, but man, like, nice reflection in there. What do you think, James?
That's better.
We're good?
Yep.
Looking good. Show prep for DC5 Ronin. Is Honda Fest #1 for you?
Honda Fest.
Is that show #1 for you?
That'll be the first show for me this year. Yep.
Sick.
So, on a month out, gotta prep for that. Lots of stuff coming. Gotta bang these out first though.
Yep. Oh yeah.
But with the weather we've been having, we'll see how much luck I get.
Yeah. It's wet. We some wet boys out here. Facts.
Yes.
Moist.
All right, guys. Well, that's what we got today. I'm not gonna waste your time and show you guys jacking down the car and getting it outside, but I think that's a pretty good result. It wasn't a terrible amount of work. I think it's just because confined space mixed with cold, mixed with wet, mixed with,
It's just tedious.
you know.
What it is.
So
You gotta take your time.
that's it, and that's just paying the cost to be the boss, right, Gabe?
Hell yeah, do your own shit.
That's what. All right, man. For all of us over here at Defiant Culture Crew, thanks for watching the channel, Factory Fiction. We'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.